Welcome students. Now I am going to explain about 4th standard science subject lesson 4 science in everyday life. Science has developed, invented and discovered for different communications. It is very useful for us in our everyday life. Science is a special knowledge which is not a book is in nature. In this special knowledge is applied in every aspects in our day-to-day life. In this the electronic devices we use every day. The phone that we use, the camera that comes with us on every vacations, the TV that we watch for fun, all these devices that we use are all gadgets. So, a gadget is a small electronic machine. And gadgets means it is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful to us. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. They make our life enjoyable. So, they make our life enjoyable. Let us see about the examples one by one. In electronic devices, things made or adapted for a particular purpose, especially a piece of mechanical and electrical equipment. The most common devices are tablets and smartphones, but devices can also come in other forms. In electronic devices are components for controlling the flow of electrical currents for the purpose of information processing and system control. In electronic devices are usually small and can be grouped together into packages. It is called as integrated circuits. In electronics is a part of engineering aiming to use electricity with the purpose of controlling other devices or circuits. These are the examples of electrical devices: mobiles, DVD player, computers, laptops, home security systems, then intelligent systems. Now, let us see about the examples of electronic devices. First one, smartphone. Apart from the communication, the smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track location and much more uses. Next one, portable music player. Portable music player. It stores and plays thousands of songs. We can listen to songs anywhere and anytime. Next example is tablets. People use tablets to read books, play games and watch videos. Next one, pen drive. It is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of a file in and from a computer. Pen drive is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in and from a computer. So, in electricity in our day-to-day life, it gives us cool air and entertains us through cinema, TV and radio, besides lightening our houses. In modern life is impossible without electricity. The computers have made each and everything easy, like calculations and other stuff beyond our imaginations. In computers have made each and everything easy, like calculations and other stuff beyond our imagination. Students, I repeat today's topic: science in everyday life. A new topic: electronic devices. In electronic devices we use every day in our life. A gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful to us. So gadgets are something referred to as Zigmas. In electronic devices are usually small and can be grouped together in packages. The most common devices are used as smartphones, tablets, but devices can also come in other forms. These are the examples for electronic devices: laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, smartphones, portable music player, electric torch, web camera, speaker, headphone, etc. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.